Over the years, a lot of you have opened up to us about your underarm problems and consistently reached out to us for help. Discoloration, sweating, odor in the underarm area are real issues that we all go through in silence. We've narrowed down some of the most realistic solutions to help fight your underarm battles better, because these aren't just your problems but ours as well. Exfoliation not only helps unclog pores and clear empty hair follicles of dirt, debris, sweat and bacteria, but also preps the underarm for a smoother hair removal experience. Dark patchy spots, hyperpigmentation need to be treated with the blend of perfect ingredients that will lighten and brighten the armpits. Meet Hands Up, our underarm brightening cream. Apply only a dollop on clean and dry skin at night. It's a light, easily absorbing formula that improves underarm skin tone and texture like a pro. The non-greasy cream will work its magic on your patchy underarms while you sleep. Hands Up is filled with the best pigmentation busting ingredients like niacinamide, kojic acid, licorice extract and orange oil that come together to reduce pigmentation, improve damaged skin and bad odor like no other. Also, it's free of all the nasties and toxins. Try our all-new Hands Up variant with the power of refreshing yuzu for fresher, brighter underarms. And don't forget to check out Hands Up on Glamrs.com or the Purple app. Post hair removal, you may have noticed your skin feeling itchy and irritated in the underarm area. And the best way to help soothe it is applying a moisturizing agent like aloe vera gel. Aloe vera's cooling and healing properties can calm your underarm skin while also hydrating it from within. The sweat stains in the underarms are not fun at all, and to avoid that embarrassing situation, you can use a panty liner underneath your clothes. It will easily absorb the sweat and keep your clothes dry throughout the day. Now that you have all these tips, we promise you sweat-free, smooth and even-toned underarms that will help you raise your hands with confidence all day, every day. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.